Hello guys, my name is Mark Declan and you're welcome to my channel Laugh and Learn with Declan. This is my first video I am posting on my channel and I am happy and I celebrate myself for that. There are so many benefits you would get to enjoy when you subscribe to my channel, and one of it is what I will be introducing to you today. So this one is for all my book lovers, to every student watching this video, to my book lovers, to those who are addicted to reading. Make sure you watch this video to the end as you would get value from it. I always smile anytime I hear people complain of not being able to get enough books to read, not being able to access whatever book, whatever novel they want, always getting to pay for books, pay for this book, pay for that book. But it's a different case for me because I have access to a site where I can get whatever book you can think of, all for free. I repeat, whatever book you can think of, all for free. So without wasting much time, let's get on with the business of the day. Right now I'm going to disclose to you the site where I get these books for free without paying a dime for it. So just follow me. Now the name of this site is called Yandex. This is it right here, Yandex. So we are going to open up this site. It's looking like an app here, but it is not an app. It does not have an app. So this here is my recent activity on the site. See, it is a browser. It is not an app, but a browser, just like your Google browser, your Safari browser. So this is a browser, but a browser for books only. For books only. Now to open a fresh page, we are going to click on that Y over there, and this is a fresh page. You search whatever book you want to search for. So let's start with, let's say, Things Fall Apart. Okay, we all know Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, the popular Chinua Achebe. Let's see if we will get it, and yes, here it is. So this is the PDF. This is the book right here. You can just click on it, and then when you click on it, it just takes you to the book. No ad, no moving to another site, just straight to the book. So that's just it. Just search for your book and you get it in just few seconds. Now we've gotten our book and this is what it looks like. You see, in just few seconds we were able to get this book. Now to download it, I will show you how to download it. You just click on this icon here if you are using iPhone. I don't know about the Android users, but for iPhone users, this is what you do. You just click on that icon and go to Save to Files. You see Save to Files there. You click on Save to Files and automatically it saves to your file. Then you can give it whatever name you want to give to it, edit the name, and then you save it. I already have it here. If you can see it there, I have my book there already. But you just have to save it, and then that's it. Let's check for another book. Let us look up this popular book, Atomic Habits. I don't know how many of us know this book, but it's a very, very, very nice book to read. You would really enjoy it. Atomic Habits by James Clear. So we search it up and that is it. It's just there. Just click on it and then you have your book. The same way I demonstrated on how to save it, that's the same thing you do. The same way you want to save this book, you want to download this book, the same way I demonstrated earlier, that is what you get to do. You click on that icon, that thing there, and then you go to Save to Files and it saves automatically. I already have this book, so I am not going to be saving it. It saves to your phone. So now I would also want to teach you some other thing. Now remember, I said this is not an app, but it is a site, so you can easily lose this. So for you not to lose this, I will teach you a trick that you should know. And also this is for iPhone users. I don't know about the Android users. So what you just need to do is, and this also applies to any site, not just for in this context, any site at all. So what you just need to do is go to your browser, you search for that site. When you search for the site, then when the site comes up, you open up the site just like I am doing here. You open it up, and when it comes up, you see this arrow down at the bottom. You click on it. When you click on it, it comes up like this, and then you scroll down and you will find where the root add to home screen. When you tap on it, you can now name you can name it whatever you want to. So let me give this my library, and then I will save it up. I'm going to save it up, and then we would see how it's going to come out. It's going to be looking like an icon. That is it right there. It's looking like an app that you downloaded, but it's not an app. This is the same thing I did for some other sites here, like this Floro.art is the same thing. Also, Account Bazaar is also the same thing. Those are not apps, they are sites. So I just added them to my home screen so as not to lose them. So guys, that will be all for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so as to get more videos like this. Thank you. God bless you.